We have the Kodak Mini Shot 3 Era cartridge bundle. You get the camera, you get the strap. I put the strap on already. And in the bundle was the package that contained the camera, which I've already taken out. And you also get these 3x3 cartridges. These are the printer sheets and ribbons. There are 30 per a pack. So this is the camera. As you can see, it's 3.7 f2.8 lens. On the back here, you have a button. Turn this on by holding that button down. There we go. Get those nice classic Kodak colors. And you can go here to menu, and you can select borders. Click the OK. Right now, it's currently set to borderless. You can do white border, or borderless. So those are the two options that you have. I'm going to go ahead and say border. Go back here to menu. You can select a filter, and there's a monochrome, light blue, retro, sepia, clear, and normal. So the next option, which is your timer and your flash. So you can go into that. Currently timer set to 10 seconds. I will turn the timer off. The other thing you could do, timer flash on, and auto flash. So I'll go ahead and select auto flash. Framing. Unfortunately, there's no zoom capability. That would be nice if it did have a zoom. I'm going to go ahead and take my picture now. Right now I have it as copy set to 1. So I'm going to go ahead and say print, so the two options you have print or cancel. There is no SD card in this device, unfortunately. So if you want to store pictures, you're going to have to use something else. So right now it says it's printing. And there's the fourth pass. This is the lamination pass. And now it's ready. And there we have it. It's actually pretty good. It's not bad. The real beauty is being able to connect to this printer, the Kodak MS300 via Bluetooth. So you do need to install the app. Once you install the app, you can see I've got some pictures that I've selected. And I will go ahead and select one. Let's go ahead and print. So I can crop it. And so what I need to do is go through, decide where I want the image to be placed. I can select some filters as well. Device is on. Let me just make sure that it is connected via Bluetooth. Okay, selected, yep. And now let's go ahead and say print. Print.